So hello and welcome. End of second optional practice session of the tour for Team India. I'll tell you about all what had happened here. You know, first of all, the world champions are here because now officially Yashasvi Jaiswal is here, Shivam Dube is here, and of course Sanju Samson is here. Sanju came, yesterday also while there was a game. He batted for around 15-20 minutes after the game got over, and the fans were here chanting his name, and obviously he waved towards them. And then went back to his practice. Took some throwdowns and obviously a 15-20 minute practice. But coming back to what happened today in the optional practice session, obviously first a jog around the ground, and after that some warm-up drills, and then they started walking towards the batting nets. Obviously Shivam Dube started with the ball, and first in the main nets, and then in the main ground, the center ground and the side pitches, he started bowling. Till then Yashasvi was batting. Yashasvi took some throwdowns first, and after that he started it with playing some fast bowlers, and then obviously the spinners. Spent a good 40 minutes there. Not feeling really well today. My colleague asked him about is everything okay, but he said a little bit of cold was there, but in spite of that he batted for 40 minutes. He bowled over 30 minutes, and what we saw here in this particular tour, that the batters are bowling for more than 30 minutes, around 40 minutes, 45 minutes. We saw that in the first 2 days of the session when Riyan Parag was bowling, when Abhishek Sharma was bowling, and then we saw this today also after spending some time in the main nets, and then coming at the main ground. He was doing some range hitting, and after that he started bowling for good 30-40 minutes to Shivam Dube, Sanju Samson. And talking about Sanju Samson, Sanju also started with some batting practice, some throwdowns initially, and then swept nets with Yashasvi Jaiswal. Then obviously some batting against the India fast bowlers. Khalil Ahmed was here, Tushar Deshpande was here, and obviously some local Zimbabwean net bowlers. So he batted for a good amount of 40-45 minutes, and after that came in the main ground. Again some range hitting. He did that. Yashasvi did that. Shivam Dube also did that, some range hitting. And Shivam Dube, my word, he almost 3 or 4 shots from his bat went out of the ground, completely out of the ground. So looking forward to his batting if he got chance in the next game on 10th. But coming back to the main nets, obviously Sanju did some range hitting. Sanju again with some brilliant shots. Shivam Dube some brilliant rocket shots, means traveling as well as the elevation. And specifically if you talk about Yashasvi Jaiswal, he also batted the main wicket with some range hitting. But after that, as I was saying, that he started bowling. After that range hitting and some Yashasvi did some bowling also. Sanju went for his wicket keeping gloves and started some wicket keeping practice for good 10 minutes. He created that blind spot also there, and then those wicket keeping practices with him, Yashasvi and Shivam Dube doing some high catches practice and some fielding drills. So a complete practice session for Team India's world champion players, Yashasvi Jaiswal, Shivam Dube, and obviously Sanju Samson. No one from the main team played back-to-back days, so no one from that team was here. Tushar Deshpande, of course. Khalil Ahmed did some first bowling in the net areas, and then after that concluded it with bowling I think around 15-20 minutes in the main ground. Tushar Deshpande, after bowling in the nets and then to the main ground, batted for a while, and that's it for Khalil Ahmed and for Tushar Deshpande. And after that, yes, it's a short good session, complete session, and Team India concluded with all of this. So yeah, again hoping for a press conference tomorrow, and let's see who'll come and tell us about what will be the playing 11, because from here onwards it will be a good headache for VVS Lakshman and Shubman Gill, who to choose and who will sit out. So let's, I want you guys to, comment your playing 11 now, as Yashasvi is here, Shivam Dubey is here, Sanju Samson is here, who'll open, who'll be in the middle order, who'll be in the all-rounders role. Do make sure you're playing 11, you comment your playing 11, and make sure to like the channel and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching this. Thank you.